Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So from today I am starting this mock test challenge and this is for tomorrow. So this to-do list is for SBI JA mains and RRB PO and clerk pre plus mains. So as I told you earlier also that when the admit cards will be released, then I will start the mock test challenge for RRB PO prelims on daily basis. So it will start from tomorrow. What you can do is you can attempt the same mock test which I will attempt, and then we can create a environment of competitiveness and we can analyze like how where we stand in the competition. Okay, so that's this mock test challenge is about. Now one more thing is that my RRB PO prelims exam is on 1st of August, so try to tell your exam date in the comment section. Okay, so for tomorrow the first thing is RRB PO prelims mock test, and for tomorrow this mock test I will attempt this mock test from Adda, and this is previous year mock test. Like this is previous year paper. First I want to analyze the level of previous year paper. So tomorrow I will attempt this previous year paper from Adda, and this previous year paper is of 12 September 2020. This is available in Adda test series, otherwise it is available also in the test book and in grade up mocks also. Okay, so try to attempt this same number of mock test, and if you have already attempted this mock test, then try to write your score in the comment section. Okay, then for English I will read the editorial plus vocabulary, because we don't have to leave the touch of English, as English is very important for the mains examinations. Then for maths I am solving this. I will solve arithmetic level 3 questions for mains from 2 to 3 chapters, because level 3 questions for mains are very important. Okay, as you know there are many arithmetic questions in the mains examination and the SBI JE mains is near, so we have to solve the mains level questions more. And for arithmetic level 3 questions, like wait, I will show you the book from which I am solving these level 3 questions. So this is the book from which I am solving these level 3 questions from 2 to 3 chapters every day. Okay, and this is 4000 smart practice questions book of banking, and it is from test book. So this book I will show you. So these are the level wise questions, as you can see. Like in average chapter there are 3 levels: level 1, level 2 and level 3. Okay, and after that there is answer key is given and solutions are also given. And one more thing is that this book contains the solutions which are recommended by the teachers. Okay, so not the XY solution but the other solutions which are very good. And one good thing about this book is that there is target time given. Okay, so we get target time, like in how much time we have to solve the questions. And in smart answer key it is given that how many aspirants have attempted it and how many aspirants have skipped this question. So I found it pretty relevant according to the level of the examinations. So you can also go for this book if you are searching the level wise questions for quant. I will give you the link of this book in description. Okay, now we will move to our to-do list. After doing the mains level miscellaneous, I will do miscellaneous reasoning, and for miscellaneous reasoning questions try to solve the all miscellaneous questions of reasoning from one mains mock test daily. Okay, then there are 2 mains DIs, and for mains DIs also I will use the mains mock test. Then there are 2 mains puzzles, and one more thing is that there is one sectional test of English. Yeah, it is very important because we get to see the level and the type of questions which are there in English. So you can attempt one sectional mains test of English. After that I will cover the daily current affairs and the previous month's current affair revision. For previous month's current affair revision and for other things, like if you have not studied anything in current affairs, then I have uploaded a video today in which I have discussed how you can cover the previous current affairs for SBI clerk mains. So you can go and watch this video. This is I have told everything in a very detailed manner. For that video also I will give you the link of that video. Okay, you can go and watch this video. And for current affairs, I am following Affairs Cloud, and if you are planning to purchase Affairs Cloud course, then I will give you the link in description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. As we all know that Affairs Cloud is a very good source for current affairs, and you don't have to go anywhere else if you are following Affairs Cloud. So that's all for tomorrow's schedule, and please try to accept this challenge. Please try to attempt the same mock test number which I am doing, so that we can analyze the situation here. And if you do not have, like, it will be simply available in other mock test in Adda, otherwise in Testbook or in GradeUp, because this is previous year paper. It will be available in some websites, so try to find and try to attempt this. Okay, so that's all for tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day, and all the best for your upcoming examinations. Thank you.